Mommy, can you get the flower put in a cup? Mommy, can you get the cup?
Hi guys, papunta kami ngayon sa school ni Treb. And then after ko maihatid sa Treb, pupunta na ako sa flower shop para kunin yung flower and chocolates na surprise gift namin kay Mami para sa Valentine's Day. So, let's go!
So hot in here.
What?
So hot.
Yeah, so hot.
You've got big lot of food.
Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. And we have surprise for Mami. Okay? We will give Mami flowers and chocolates. Okay? You will give Mami flowers and chocolates. Okay? Are you excited? Daddy will get the flowers and the chocolates later. And then tomorrow we will give it to Mami. Okay?
Flower in the cup, okay?
Yeah, I will put the flowers in the cup. And then tomorrow when Mami wake up, we will give it to Mami, okay? Don't tell it to Mami. Okay? Don't tell to Mami that we have a surprise tomorrow for her, okay? Reb? Go, you go inside. Bye-bye. Nahatid ko na si Trev sa school. Papunta na ako ngayon sa flower shop para kunin yung flowers and chocolates. So, let's go! Yan pala yung actual photo ng flowers na ibibigay namin kay Mami from Naga Blooms. Yan din yung page nila. So if gusto nyo mag-order, contact nyo na lang yung page nila. Hi ma'am, excuse me. Kuha lang po ng flowers. Yeah. Joke.
Kasi hindi ko na lang po nilagay kasi baka mabigat po.